Here is a brief update for the nat gas market today. Prices drop ahead of tomorrow's storage report. As of the morning update, natural gas inventories are projected to increase by 67 BCF, a bearish 4 BCF bigger than the 5-year average. Also, preliminary data showed a 10% decrease in US LNG exports in June, attributed to planned maintenance at key LNG plants and reduced European demand. Gas supplies to US plants were lower in the final week of June due to scheduled maintenance. Nevertheless, analysts anticipate an increase in LNG exports this quarter as maintenance concludes. In the long run, lots of traders are expected to be interested in natural gas because they think it's a good deal. They might make a bunch of money in the next few months while they wait for something big to happen. It looks like the gas supply in Europe is changing from Russia to the United States, which could make prices go up. Right now, it seems like the market is staying steady, but it's probably going to go up eventually. The 50-day EMA thing is important because it shows that support is growing. Overall, things are looking good, and people who want to make money are actively looking for chances to get in on the potential gains in the long run.